Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the Hyte Y70 Touch Infinite Display Upgrade Screen Kit, just a quick heads up. The link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out right away. The Hyte Y70 Touch Infinite Display Upgrade Screen Kit is an exciting addition for anyone looking to enhance their Hyte Y70 gaming PC case. This 14.9-inch IPS display boasts a sharp 2.5K resolution, 682 by 2560, with 178 pixels per inch, delivering remarkably crisp visuals. The panel is 43 brighter than its predecessor, which means vibrant colors and excellent visibility even in well-lit environments. One of the standout features is the 10-point capacitive touch functionality, allowing for smooth and responsive interaction directly on the display. What really sets this upgrade apart is its ability to transform your PC case into a digital canvas. With extensive customization options, users can personalize their screen with a wide variety of themes, widgets, and other interactive elements. This adds a unique layer of digital immersion, making your PC not only a powerhouse for gaming or work, but also a visually engaging centerpiece. The taro milk, purple, color option adds a subtle but stylish flair, perfect for those who want their setup to stand out without being too flashy. Installation is straightforward for anyone familiar with PC case modifications, and the touchscreen's responsiveness is impressive, supporting up to 10 simultaneous touch points. Pros: large, crisp 14.9 2.5K IPS display with 178 ppi. 43 brighter panel enhances visibility. 10-point capacitive touch for smooth interaction. Extensive customization with themes and widgets. Stylish taro milk purple color adds unique aesthetic cons. Limited to Hyte Y70 PC case compatibility. 60 Hz refresh rate might feel less smooth compared to higher refresh panels. May require some technical know-how for installation overall. The Hyte Y70 Touch Infinite Display Upgrade Screen Kit is a fantastic way to add both functionality and flair to your gaming setup. Whether you want quick access to widgets, system stats, or just a beautiful secondary display, this kit delivers with style and performance. Remember, the link to get this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Don't miss out on upgrading your PC case with this innovative display upgrade.